inside us, feeling yes, words and thunderbolts. Sad old dreams, new mediocre, find new ways to overdrive. You can find me out there, look for that circling square. Can you see me? I'm right here. I'm right here.
Amazing.
Let go too soon, bound to the moon, mystery veils and shadow words.
Just arrived in Koh Lanta and here is my taxi. When you arrive from the Phi Phi Islands, there is no other way to leave the pier. You have to take a taxi or bike or walk. So let's explore the island a bit. There is 50 minutes to there, to the end of the island, so I will just go there, see it. Like, it's not a day for beach anyway, it's raining, so I see it, then I come back. Wow! Oh, just in 1 second I had to stop right now, like right in the moment, because look that. I have the iPad, I have everything here, so fuck. It's wow. Yeah, probably today wasn't the best day for that. I mean, they were telling us that it's gonna rain since 2 days ago, and it rained. So I thought, like, okay, maybe today doesn't rain again, or if it's gonna rain, you won't be here. I mean, it's not far, 16 kilometers, 30 minutes. It's okay, I have the whole day. Ooh, that's so old asphalt. They don't even reach the ground. So here I am, and then there is a park. I'm not gonna enter in the park because I wanna fly the drone and there inside I cannot.
I never should have kissed you. I never should have gone there, but I couldn't resist you. Never felt like that girl, I swear. I probably should run, girl. Try to make this all undone, girl. I never should have kissed you. I never should have gone there. I know that this is problem, and I know.
Good morning in the morning. Now, yes, good to go. Today I took more time to leave the hotel because I met, she's Brazilian, he's French, and a lot of people around the world. They were like asking about the trip and about the bike and everything. So the plan for today is go to Koh Samui. I don't know if I'm gonna reach there because like now I will go to the other side of the island where I am now, Koh Lanta, because I just saw that part and I think it would be a bit, don't see the other, and it's not that much, it's just like 50 minutes more, so I can do that. And after that I will take the ferry, cross to the mainland, and then go to Koh Samui. I think it's around like 200 something. It's gonna depend which time I'm gonna arrive in the pier. If it's time and it's not that bad, I'm gonna cross today. If it's late, I will sleep there, and the next day, tomorrow in the morning, I cross. So let's see. it's so amazing when I met people and I can like inspire them and do things, travel, or be strong or resilient or whatever feeling. But just to inspire them is great. 31 degrees. Yesterday was more cooler. Today is a bit more hot because it's less cloudy. Actually, today is a good day to go to the beach, but not now. I will go tomorrow in Koh Samui. Wow, that's so beautiful. Yeah, I passed here when I enter, you know, going out. So here we are. Motorbikes pay there in the front. That's very cool. So then we don't have to be there with the all cars. It's cool that they have here. There is some place that they even put problem. That is the difference. Oh, they have crab here. For instance, to come back 50, to go is more. Hello. Hey. Five. Okay. So I put here, then they just take it. I think my bag now is more heavy than before. Thank you. Ooh. Hi. Here.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Ooh, baby, you love me every day. I prefer in the right shade. Yes, now yes. It's very close actually. I think it's just 15 minutes, no more than 20. And there is another boat going there. So yeah, I think it's pretty easy. Just like kind of come to the pier and done. So yeah. Thanks, Koh Lanta was nice, but now it's time to go. Yeah, I did 38 kilometers in reserve. I found a PD station. I'm gonna fill up here and then continue. I have here 235 to the pier, where I'm gonna take the ferry boat to Koh Samui. I didn't have breakfast, so probably I'm gonna stop to have lunch somewhere. 95 here. So now I have petrol for the bike. I just need petrol for me. Food. Maybe it's gonna rain. Let's see if we are lucky. Would be nice because so then it would be less hot. Anyway, it starts to getting cloudy, so we. Let's go. So look at that car, the Hilux in the front of the two cars. You can see how many things they have loaded there. If you can see the difference between the height of the cars, that one is a van and the other one it's almost the double. Don't do it at your house. So the other day I saw the brother, and now I have the small sister. Very similar color. So let's have something. Yeah, it was raining here. Look at the asphalt. I think the rain just passed through there, so here is already dry. Rain, rain, don't go away. Come here. It's raining. Can you hear the rain? I'm here under the trees and it's kind of making a layer. I mean, it's still quite hot. Woo! Yep. I already changed the cable. I put a power bank for the CarPlay. It's great that it's raining. Should I close that? No. This, yes. The monsoon season here in that area is arriving. In Indonesia, in some areas, it's already raining. It's still hot, so I'm gonna keep it open for now. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna close this. Wow. That's a lot of rain. Yep. Close. Now. Woo! Ready? Ready! Woo! I asked for the rain, so yeah, thank you. Oh, I mean, normally I'm not a big fan. Oh, truck. So normally I'm not a big fan of rain, but there is some exceptions, like when I'm going to sleep or when I ride and it's very hot, like it was the last days. Feels good, a bit of rain, and didn't take long. You see now? Almost finished. Woo! Alright, gone. I mean, is it still dizzy? I don't know why it shows me left side, but I'm taking it. Anyway, you cannot trust always in Google Maps. Sometimes you have to check the way you feel. Like you feel like something is going wrong, or if you have to check more than one, and so yeah, something is wrong. I'm just gonna take out the rain jacket. Also is danger. Now, let's see. Chave, chave, chuva. The gloves are so wet that even my hands, look, you know, when you put your hands a lot of time in the water and start to get. That battery here is finished. And I don't have a battery spare, actually. That's one thing that probably I would have to buy. So I stop here to have a coffee. In that beautiful area that we saw now is the Tyronian National Park. So, Samui. Ticket here? Uh-huh. But not today, tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Which
by,
time?
By tomorrow, not by today.
Okay, but which time?
5 a.m.
And after?
Every hour.
Every hour. Ah, okay. I just come here. Okay. Okay, tomorrow I come. How much is?
For big bite, 320.
320. And then I come here.
Yes,
Okay, I will turn around. Thank you. Sawadika.
Yes,
How much is the room?
room, one room, 700.
700. Can I check? Can I look?
You okay? You look?
Yes, look. There? Okay. So I came here close to the hotel to have dinner. I asked for a fried rice with chicken vegetables. Also I stopped there to buy a smooth, mango smooth. Look that. So yeah, I'm gonna have the dinner, sleep here, and tomorrow I will cross to Koh Samui. I went there in the pier and they say that the boat leaves each 1 hour and it's 320 for my bike. So tomorrow morning I will go there. I don't know which time. I will back to the hotel now and edit the video tomorrow also in the morning. So I think around noon I will cross. Hope you like the day of today. Today was nice. The weather, it really helps a lot because it was rainy and the temperature drops a lot and it felt great. So see you tomorrow. And if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe, give a like, leave your comment, and see you in the next video. Bye.